Hey, it's Ryan from Ryan Can Make It. I like to make stuff, obviously, but mainly sublimation. So today I'm going to show you how I made this sublimation puzzle. Now this is a design that I make with this website called Mapbox. It does cost, you get like 100 free map prints every month. But it's, I don't know, it was something I was tinkering with, and so I have a couple of products on my website. If you want one of these puzzles for yourself, feel free, I'll make you one. The link to this specific puzzle that I make will be in the description on instantlyunique.com. But today we are here to learn how to make this puzzle if you want to make this puzzle. All the resources and links in the description. So this is the sublimation puzzle. I already measured it as a square. I don't remember, I think I traced it a few times to get my template. Get these puzzles off of Amazon. You can find the link in the description of this video. I'm gonna press this on my heat press over here for 360 degrees for 60 seconds with just a nice medium pressure. So you'll just take it off, leave it like this. Place this with the white side. You can lint roll it if you want. I usually don't, but some people are sticklers about that. If you don't lint roll something and it's white and there's lint on it, then the lint will turn blue when it's heated up, so that's a good idea. But this image is already a dark image. I'm not really worried about it. I just make sure there's no debris on it, and we're gonna put the white side, the printed side, onto my sublimation print that I already made. And as you can see, there's like a little extra of an outline all around it. Just secure that with a couple pieces of heat tape, and it's ready to go over to the heat press. So my heat press is already on the 360 degrees and set for 60 seconds. I keep my Teflon paper here because I like to protect the bottom platen. And then I'm just using some packaging paper, like a 12 by 12 sheets I get. Or I'll get a big thing from like Walmart and cut it up. And you'll put that on there with the sublimation paper facing up. And I've said this before and I'll say it again. I use the HTV Rock sublimation paper because I love it. The link will be in the description. But I just put that on there with the blowout paper on the bottom. But I don't put anything on top because I never have a problem with it bleeding up through the paper. So that works out great. So we're just gonna press that and it'll be about 60 seconds and we'll be back. 60 seconds is up, and I usually just take it off of there real quick and put it face down and carefully take off that tape. So you don't want to like rip the puzzle apart. Okay, so see how much all the ink is gone off of the sublimation paper from HTV Raw, and none of it came through, none of it's on my heat press, so toss that. And here is the puzzle, and it is a map that they send, and I put like your location that you send, and they put our first date. We love that for them. And the reason we put the paper on the bottom is because all that extra that was around there will get on the bottom of your heat press if we don't use some kind of paper like this. And I just put that back into the plastic and with the cardboard that it came with. And then to mail it, I just use one of these like photo rigid mailers, and it fits in there great, and I haven't had a problem. It weighs exactly like 3.6 ounces or so, so it fits in the first tear of USPS ground, which is the cheapest tear.